Okay, so this is a quick video of how to create motorsport videos. So the first thing we'll use is get a web browser open and find a package called Dashware. Dashware is here. Download it. It's made by the same, well, it's now owned by the same people that make GoPros. Download it, install it, and you're ready to roll. I've obviously already done that stage. Once it's installed, you can simply boot it up and it comes up looking like this. If I browse, having already stuck the memory card in, you can see here that if I just go to my PC, here is the memory card, DCIM, GoPro, here are 3 video files. Select one of those. I can give it names, I can copy it, doesn't really matter at this stage. I might call it Demo 2. So Dashware allows you to put all of this video telemetry data on top of the video. At this stage, not interested, so we can just left click drag a box around it and delete it. Okay. We can obviously see here the video is starting off in the pits, and there's a volume of stuff before it actually gets to the excitement. Over here is where we can do all sorts of stuff with setting up video, data files, etc. Again, not interested at the moment. This slider allows us to roll through the video until we get to a place where we're interested in starting. So let's bring that forward. No, let's go back a little tiny bit. Okay. This bar here crops the front end of that video. Similar, this one crops the tail end of the video. So we might say that we only want to have a look at, let's go to the first lap. So there is the end of the first lap. I can bring that slider bar down to there, and therefore I will only get from 2 minutes 56 through to 4 minutes 14 of that video file. Sometimes it's nice to put a start credit, which can be simply enabled. Run 1 Wakefield demo video. We can put colours and all sorts of rubbish on it, but that's all I want there for the moment. We can check to see if it's doing what we want it to do, with the right sound and everything else. The edit's about where we want it to be. If I'm happy with that, then all I need to do is go to video, file, create video. It's got a file name that it's coming from, it's got a file name that it's going to. We might change that to be something different, but I'm reasonably happy with that at the moment. The quality set at 100 will give us the largest file and the best resolution. If you'd uncheck that, you can slide that back to lower resolution, and obviously the lower the resolution or the quality, the smaller the video file. From here we just go create video, and you'll see that it starts to process it. Depending on the speed of your computer, I guess it'll be faster or slower. Okay, so it's now created the video file. So if I go looking in Motorsport 2018, so here we have Demo 2, which is 158 megabytes in length. Okay, with that part done, we can then go back to the web, look up YouTube, or connect into YouTube. If you don't have an account, obviously it's free to sign up and all that sort of stuff. This icon over here is the upload, so I can go to upload and then literally drag and drop across or search for the file. It'll then upload, give you a link that you can then publish. And that's pretty much about it.